The melting of Antarctica is a scenario that has been the subject of much concern and speculation in recent years. As the world continues to grapple with the effects of climate change, the potential consequences of a complete meltdown of the Antarctic ice sheet are both significant and far-reaching. If Antarctica were to melt, it would have a profound impact on global sea levels. The Antarctic ice sheet contains an estimated 90% of the world's ice, and if it were to melt completely, it is estimated that global sea levels would rise by as much as 60 meters. This would have devastating consequences for coastal communities around the world, leading to widespread flooding and displacement of populations. In addition to the direct impact on sea levels, the melting of Antarctica would also have significant implications for global weather patterns. The release of such a large volume of fresh water into the world's oceans would likely disrupt the ocean currents that play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. This could lead to changes in temperature and precipitation patterns, with potentially severe consequences for agriculture and food production. The melting of Antarctica would also have a significant impact on global biodiversity. The continent is home to a wide range of unique and specialized species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The loss of their habitat would likely lead to widespread extinctions and have a ripple effect throughout the world's ecosystems. From a geopolitical perspective, the melting of Antarctica could also lead to increased competition for access to its resources. The continent is believed to contain significant reserves of oil, gas, and minerals, and as the ice melts, it is likely that there will be growing interest in exploiting these resources. This could lead to increased tensions between nations and have implications for global security. In light of these potential consequences, it is clear that the melting of Antarctica is a scenario that must be taken seriously. Efforts to mitigate climate change and reduce greenhouse gas emissions are crucial in order to prevent such a catastrophic outcome. Additionally, research into the potential impacts of Antarctic melting and strategies for adaptation will be crucial in preparing for and responding to this threat. In conclusion, the melting of Antarctica would have profound and far-reaching consequences for the planet. From rising sea levels and changes in weather patterns to impacts on biodiversity and geopolitical tensions, the potential effects of such a scenario are significant. It is imperative that steps are taken to address climate change and mitigate its impacts in order to prevent such a catastrophic outcome.